To sell covered puts on Robinhood, you first need to understand what a covered put is. A covered put, also known as a cash-secured put, is a strategy where you sell a put option and set aside enough cash to buy the underlying stock if the option is exercised. Start by logging into your Robinhood account and navigating to the stock you want to sell a put option on. Make sure you have enough cash in your account to cover the potential purchase of the stock. Next, click on the trade button and select the sell option. Choose the put option with the strike price and expiration date you want. The strike price is the price at which the buyer of the put option can sell the stock, and the expiration date is when the option expires. When selling a put option, you will receive the premium, which is the price of the option, in your account immediately. However, you will also be obligated to buy the stock at the strike price if the option is exercised. For example, if you sell a put option on a stock with a strike price of $50 and the buyer exercises the option, you will have to buy the stock for $50, even if the market price is lower. To minimize risk, it is essential to choose a strike price that is close to the current market price and to set aside enough cash to cover the potential purchase of the stock. It is also crucial to monitor the option and be prepared to buy the stock if the option is exercised. Best practices for selling covered puts on Robinhood include regularly reviewing your portfolio, adjusting your strategy as needed, and never investing more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can effectively sell covered puts on Robinhood and potentially generate income from your investments.